Microsoft Word is one of the most widely used writing tools, but many beginners only scratch the surface of what it can do. In this video, we'll go over practical tips that help you use MS Word like a pro, save time, and create professional-looking documents from the very start. First, get familiar with styles and headings. Instead of manually adjusting fonts, sizes, or colors for titles and sections, use Word's built-in heading styles. This keeps your document consistent and works perfectly with the navigation pane, letting you jump between sections quickly, a lifesaver for long reports, essays, or lesson plans. Next, learn to use quick parts and AutoText. If you often type repetitive phrases, signatures, or standard disclaimers, save them as reusable blocks. This allows you to insert them anywhere in seconds, saving a lot of time and reducing typing errors. Another beginner-friendly tip is to leverage keyboard shortcuts. Even basic shortcuts like Ctrl+C, Ctrl+V, Ctrl+Z, and Ctrl+Y can dramatically speed up your workflow. More advanced shortcuts like Ctrl+Shift+N to reset formatting or Alt+Shift+up-down arrow to move paragraphs help you edit and organize content efficiently. Don't forget Editor and Read Aloud. Word's editor checks grammar, style, and clarity, while Read Aloud lets you listen to your document. Both tools help you catch mistakes and improve readability, which is especially useful for assignments, reports, or client documents. Finally, take advantage of templates. Word offers a wide variety of templates for reports, resumes, letters, and more. Using a template saves setup time, ensures proper formatting, and gives your document a professional look right away. By mastering these beginner-friendly tips, styles, quick parts, keyboard shortcuts, editor, read aloud, and templates, you can use MS Word like a pro, create polished documents faster, and work smarter, not harder. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more MS Word tutorials, tech tips, and productivity hacks. Hit the notification bell so you never miss an update, and thanks for watching. See you in the next one.